Go ahead. I'm filming you. I don't care.
Give me a second. I need to figure out which one's clutch. This one's clutch. I got this. That's retarded.
Oh, you got the radio going.
What the heck? Your car is screwed up. That's gay. That's retarded.
Give up?
No, I don't.
You don't give up?
Yeah, I do. I give. What?
You give up? You see the pedal? Oh yeah, this one. Yeah.
I was pressing that one. That thing's retarded.
Well, yeah, you don't let go right away.
Yeah, I know.
But you let go right away.
Yeah, I know I did.
Which made it die.
Yeah, I know.
Did that scare you?
No, it didn't.
I'm turning it off. I just now turned it off. Okay, well maybe I didn't.